Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to KBZ Gaming. As promised, all along, we're going to be doing tech stuff too. So while we're at it here, we're going to be doing our very first build. So anyways, we just wanted to point this out that this is a Mini ITX system. Okay, and it's all centered around this guy right here, which is the Cooler Master Elite 130 case. Okay, we've got us a 2 terabyte inland platinum drive, M.2 drive. We've got a 1 terabyte Samsung 970 Evo Plus, and then backing that all up with a Western Digital 6 terabyte blue. Okay, gonna do a little bit of DVD ROM burning. I'm gonna top this off with an MSI 2070 Super. In it, we're going with an Asus Z590i gaming Wi-Fi board and a Corsair H80i V2 cooler. Now the awesome part about this cooler is that it is a 120 millimeter cooler with a wider radiator, so you get cooling as though, comparable to a 240 millimeter cooler out of a single 120. And let me get this guy out of the way. We're going to be topping that off too with an i7 1070K or 10700K processor, 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory running at 4,000 megahertz. And this little box right here is going to be doing gaming. It's going to be doing streaming. It's going to be doing content creation. So. Now, one interesting thing to note about this Cooler Master Elite 130 case is it is designed to take full-size components. Now, we did make a little bit of a change here to the system, and we went with the Corsair SF750 power supply, which is an SFX power supply, which is a mini. Now, this is going to give us substantially more room inside. Also, the cables are a lot shorter than you would find with a regular power supply. This making it a lot easier, a lot neater to be able to tidy everything up and do cable management and still have good airflow and airspace inside of all this stuff. So anyways, thanks for watching. Definitely give us a like and a thumbs up, and let you know what we think, or let us know what you think. Now, you don't want to know what we think, because we're telling you what we think, and this is going to be pretty darn cool. And something that I've been wanting to do in a Mini ITX for a long time. There will be some product reviews, unboxings, kind of showing you how things work, but we're not going to be doing any real tech, in-depth how-tos. Just your basic assembly, how it all goes together, what you're looking at, and then show you some final product. All right? Once again, hit that like button and subscribe for more content so you don't miss when each one of these videos comes out. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.